Hi guys, how are you all doing? This is a little video that I've made for myself personally, but I'm putting on YouTube to share in case anybody else is interested in watching. And it's basically upgrading my PlayStation 5 firmware from 4.03 to 10.01. And in case you didn't know, what all this is about is basically there's a new jailbreak that's come out for the PlayStation 5 for 10.01 that allows you to basically download and play most of the latest games that have come out for the PlayStation 5. Now my firmware is on 4.03 and there's not many games really out there to play on that version. So I've decided to upgrade now to 10.01. I think is a good time. I've done two videos already on PlayStation 4 firmware upgrades. One was a 5 firmware to a 9, and the other one was 6.72 to a 9. I'm still on the same firmware as the 9s, and I've been happy with them. They work great, but obviously the PS4 firmwares have also been upgraded to a newer jailbreak as well, which I haven't tried, but this video is all about upgrading my PS5 4.03 to 10.01. So I'm starting this video from scratch with no edits, no cuts, so wish me luck. Okay, right, let's face the TV and zoom into the TV like that. Okay, here we go. So basically I'm gonna get into the console. Let me just zoom a little bit into the TV like that. Right, so press OK. Right, on the top left side of the screen, if I go into media, you can see I've got Y2JB autoloader because I've already tested this on my firmware 4.03, as you will see when I go into console information. On the top right there, you've got your 4.03 or 21.02-04.03. That basically the 04.03 is your firmware at the moment on my console anyway. So what I'm going to do now is upgrade it to 10.01, and to do that, basically everything I've learned has been from a guy who's always putting videos on YouTube. His name is Modern Warfare, and he's been really good, giving us loads of tutorials on how to do all these things. And but obviously a big shout out to all the people who also were behind making this possible as well. Anyway, so let's so basically what I'm going to do is get the USB with the 10.01 update, and I'm going to go into system software, updating settings, update system software, update using the USB that I plugged into the back of the console, and press update. So all we got to do now is wait for it to do the update. And obviously PS5 has got a solid state drives and better hardware, so it's going to be a lot quicker than the PS4 was. Now it's restarting the PS5, and a bit nervous because I've had this on 4.03 for the last 5 years. I bought the console back in COVID time, and I've never upgraded the firmware. I've been patient, and now the time's come, and I thought, well, let's try it out, why not? So here we go. This is just resetting itself now. Just give it a couple of seconds. Here it comes, it's switching back on again. Okay. Oops. I'm just trying to focus that camera a little bit there. Okay, that's the best I can do for now. Alright, as you can see, it's updating. Yeah, I want to do this video all in live time without any edits, just to show that it can be done. And obviously if it all goes south, my bad, but I hope it doesn't. It should be okay anyway. I've been following this modded warfare guy for a while now, and he helped me out with my PS4, so I can't see why this ain't going to work on my PS5. Obviously, if you want to know how to do this as well, if you fancy trying this yourself, you need to follow him on YouTube, and he will walk you through it step by step on how to do it. This is just me basically just doing it. Obviously, you know, I've watched this video a couple of times, so just to make sure I get it right. Right, it's done everything now. As far as I'm aware, system software is complete. Right, so now I gotta go into, let's get out of that. Update, what's this now? To use user control, you need to update this device software to the latest version. This will update it quick. This will update, will be quick, and your console won't need to restart. Okay, so updating the DualSense wireless controller. I was wondering then for a second why I couldn't use my controller. That's why, because it needed to update the controller. Right, okay. So that's doing that, I hope. Here we go. Right, it's restarting the controller. Okay, let's see if it works. Now it's working, thank God for that. Alright, so we go into system settings. Let's have a look what we got now. Console information. There you go, 10.01. As you can see, 24.06-10.01. So I'm now on the latest jailbreakable firmware. I think the other thing I got to do now is I think there's network. Just quickly check, make sure the internet's off, because you don't want to have any accidental updates. And I also think the system one as well is the same. System software updates, yeah, they're already off, that's okay. Right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is take the USB out and put the jailbreakable software into the console, which I put on a separate USB stick to speed up this video. Okay, right, I just plugged that in. Now from watching the Modern Warfare video, I think he said I have to go back to settings and restore the backup of the jailbreak. So I need to go into system, backup and restore, and restore your PS5. Right, that's the jailbreak, which he compiled onto into a folder which I uploaded from his YouTube video and put on the USB stick. So I'm now going to click on OK. It's going to say now you're going to restore your console. So I click yes, we restore the console. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. So I'm now restarting the PS5, and it's going to restore this jailbreak software onto the console. Okay, so we're just going to wait for this now. This video literally is only about, you know, I'll just say this again, this is all about upgrading the firmware from 4.03 to 10.01, and then putting the YouTube jailbreak on as well. I won't be demonstrating any games or anything like that. That I'll probably do another video, but this one is all about just seeing if this jailbreak really does work. So let's see what happens. just restarting a Ps5. Imagine waiting 5 years, nearly 5 years. The console has just sat there on 4.03, and the amount of times I've wanted to just think, oh, do you know what, I'm going to give up, and I was like, no, just stick with it, and here we are today, now upgrading. Okay, right, that is I think there's what's it called, an M2 card that I had some games on the console that they're going to be deleted now, because obviously the restore backup will delete that, so that's fine. I want to start from scratch anyway. Okay, right, so here we are. Right, it's going to ask me to do all of this now. This bit I can never get, but anyway, I'll do it. So it's, I think it's about there. I think it's about there. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, right, so it's done that now, and judging by, I can see homebrew, so obviously that's all installed. And if I go into media, yeah, YouTube is there. And I know what I've done wrong. The internet, innit? The internet. Ah, the internet! It's supposed to be Y2JB, isn't it? No! I forgot to do the bugger. Right. So basically what I've done is I forgot to put the do you know, I had everything right until the last bit. Right, so I'm gonna have to go into settings, go into network, set up internet connection, networks found, yes, it was that one. Right, so we need to go advanced settings. Right, so we got the DNS there. LAN cable not connected. We're not using LAN, we're using wired. So it's that one there. Nope. Where am I going now? Right, set up manually. Use Wi-Fi. Enter manually. So I gotta. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna go Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go Ethernet to speed this process up a bit. Right. Okay. Okay. Well, this video is a bit longer than I thought. Doesn't matter. We all make mistakes. Okay, right. So wired, connect, advanced settings, DNS settings, manual, and then I gotta put the DNS, primary DNS, which is 127.0.0.2. Just double check I got that right before we continue. 127.0.2. Okay, done. Press OK. Alright, so it's going to connect to the internet and it's going to do a failed. So that's that done. And then what I'm going to do is go back to Yeah, it's definitely not a Y2JB. So I'm gonna have to go restore again. Let's go to system, backup and restore your PS5, restore. Yep. So we're just gonna do that now. Again. I think it's my fault because I think it went straight into the update, I think, because it's supposed to be Y2JB on there. Let's try that again. Obviously, if it's something I've done wrong, I'll have to go back to the video and watch it again. But so far, it's still on 10.01. I'm not going to go any higher than that. I'm just going to leave it at that. And let's just find out what I did wrong there. I'm sure that's supposed to be Y2JB. Everything else was right there except for that bit. Right, let's restarting the PS5. Okay, yeah, so if I'd have done it right the first time, we wouldn't be at this point right now. So I'm hoping now this is gonna sort it out. I think it was my fault. I forgot to put the DNS blocker on there. Right, okay. So that's to do with the M2 games. Right, going to use one. Gotta go for all this again. Okay, right, so PS5 Explorer's there, IMSlow's there, Homebrew Launcher's there. Okay, now if I go to media, it should be Y2JB, but it isn't. So, is it because it's not called that? Should we just click on YouTube and see what happens? Because I'm sure it's supposed to be Y2JB. This is weird. Okay, let's click on it. Oh, it is there. Oh, what an idiot. So, they've changed... Oh my days, they've changed the logo on the YouTube from Y2JB to YouTube. So it was fine in the first place. So I just wasted 3 minutes of your viewing time, guys. I'm so sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, it's jailbroken it. If I go into settings now, there it is, debug settings. ETA hen, package installer, ETA toolbar, everything's there. So why didn't they say that in the first place? They've changed it. It was before I said Y2JB. Anyway, that's it, guys. Yeah, so that's the video there for you on me upgrading my PS5 firmware from 4.03 10.01 and then installing the YouTube jailbreak. And this time it says YouTube instead of Y2JB. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for the error there near the end, but it's all good, it's all working. Thank you for watching.